So behind me we have our 18-metre, 80-passenger electric ferry that we've designed here in Brisbane and constructing in our Brisbane-based shipyard.
Volvo Penta is proud to partner with Aus Ships to bring Australia's first electric passenger ferry to the water, powered by the Volvo Penta electric IPS propulsion system. For Volvo Penta, it's about more than a vessel. It's about validating scalable electric transport solutions for Australia's waterways.
Marine transport is seen as one of the most challenging sectors to decarbonise. Demonstration projects like this one generate real-world operating data, which builds an evidence base around factors like performance, reliability and cost, which all help smooth the path for wider adoption.
So we'll be launching in the third quarter of 2026, undertaking then our sea trials and commissioning with demonstrations across a number of different regions in Australia through the fourth quarter of this year, with the intention for it to go into commercial service in 2027.